Yes, sir, Mr. Copperhead. Not to do, I was asking that, but as soon as you keyed in and started explaining your marvelous radio station there, I had a couple of them come in there with you. You probably can't even hear me. Anyway, 73's Copperhead. We'll catch you next time. Roger. I think you said LW. LW, I'm waving back. Yeah, that'd be a post-turkey day and a pre-Christmas Santa Day wave, I guess. It's a mess out here today, there ain't no doubt. LW, I hope I got that right. Have a good one. Appreciate you coming back. Mark Major Wave and gone.
Oh, 2 ways of battle on Superman 633. We're clearing on the side. I'll see you.
Hey, 001.
I'm on here. What's left of me? I believe I heard the senior citizen monkey.
Oh, hey, Charlie Brown, did you get off the toilet, baby?
Yeah, I hear you up in there. I hear you out there. Hey, 001, you sounding good. Rabbit 598 waiting.